They like that noise.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, that's what they're used to.
This is out.
Actually, it's kind of a cute little shot.
Actually.
They're so close.
Now, how,
see what, I can't
her ears look a little lighter. No.
She's more brown than him. So you guys, when you do the thing, I thought I was the one that did that part.
Oh, I know.
But when you guys send, yeah,
Uh-huh.
you just see what color she's gonna be. Cause I think she's gonna be chocolate. She's lighter than him.
Oh yeah, now when you see them up close.
They won't sit still.
Sugar's mom was chocolate.
I'm not gonna go to get it.
Well, he got you that time. Usually she gets him. Yeah.
Okay, hey, somebody go get the one that's going too far. Still don't know how you can tell so fast.
Oh, apart? Well, I've been around him since they were been born. It's pretty easy for me.
Pink.
They love to be outside. That's cool.
Yeah, they do. They love it outside.
They're so cute when they run.
Busy.
Can you get them to come to you if you gave them enough of a verbal command? Would they approach you? Just that?
She runs pretty quick.
Yeah, she's fast. But that's all I do, and then they come from outside.
Little butts together. So cute.
So the mom's name's Sugar. What's the full name of their mother?
Sugar K. Hine. I got her out in the car.
What did you
Go get her.
Is that okay to get them? You can put them all together then?
Oh, she's going after Denise.
We're not gonna go. Stay there, baby.
Why don't you grab one, Lindsay? Grab them. Just grab that one. Grab the closest one. Grab this one, Lindsay. That's the boy. Joy, why don't you go get Pasha? She's gonna get the mom.
Now, how do you say your name?
Well, it's like pasta, like the
pasta.
with it. But it's Irish. I just picked an Irish name out of the hat. Becca, here, hold this. It's on record, but I want you to continue recording because the white balance is good. Oh, look at the ducks. Record the ducks.
What? Okay. Wow, it's been a long time since I've recorded. Look at the ducks. How pretty it is here. They're talking. Look. Hey, how are you? It's nice. Pretty it is here.
it's cold though. Ooh.
So that's. And how old is
I don't think
she? 2 years?
Are there cleanup laws?
Are there what?
That's their mommy.
Oh, probably. I don't
know.
know either.
Is that ours? No, there's ours, isn't it?
Yeah, they really play rough.
But how old is the mom?
That's a penis, so no.
And is that plastic going after her?
Yeah, that is.
Oh, that's how they play all the time. She's really. She'll be good with. She's a
That's
good
so
kid. Yeah, she's really.
Look at
She's a spunky
that.
one.
Lively
Does
one,
to
huh?
her
Take
mommy.
crap from the cats, let me tell you.
Oh yeah.
Well, the cats will love her if they play. I don't think they will, but.
Sugar. Come here. You stay here.
Hey, Sugar. Hey. Oh,
Oh, Jason.
too busy playing to say hi.
Yeah, this is good. But get as much of that as you can.
Uh-oh.
Sugar.
Uh-oh. Pasta! That's the pasta. The battery's gonna go soon.
Oh, is it flashing?
Yeah.
Hey, turn it off.